Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about time to switch to Uber Eats after repeatedly lying to get free credits. Doordash customer says she now has to sign for her orders. Okay, so there's already two things that I'm noticing about this article right off the bat. Number one, this person is absolute trash. Number two, Doordash is actually taking steps against customers to prevent them from actually continuously saying the order isn't here, even though it was here, and then trying to get free food out of people, because that's messed up, and they're finally taking steps against those people in a way that doesn't just deactivate them. So with that said, I want to go over what this article is saying, how it actually is, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A DoorDash customer went viral on TikTok, revealing how she has to sign for her orders after lying on the app to repeatedly receive free food. It's about dang time. Honestly, the amount of contract violations that probably ended up on good drivers and deactivations that ended up to good drivers because of people like this is embarrassing. So it's about time that customers like this got what was coming to them. The video features user Lauren, Lezziepinkman, as she recounts her humiliating encounter with DoorDash. Lauren explains how she has lied many times so she can get free credits because she loves a free meal. Lauren notes that she doesn't lie about the Dasher to avoid getting them in trouble. I'm gonna leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. It doesn't matter if you're trying not to get the Dasher in trouble. At the end of the day, it's going to get them in trouble. So the fact of the matter is that you're trying to get free food out of DoorDash and the restaurants you're ordering from just because you don't want to actually pay for your meals. I'm frightened to know how many Dashers she's gotten deactivated because of her actions. And the worst that she has to do is actually just sign for orders. You know what? It's about time. She says she's lied enough times that she now has to sign for her order anytime it's delivered, like it's a UPS package. Good! However, she says a few days earlier, a DoorDash driver confusedly asked her to sign when delivering her order. Yeah, the DoorDash driver was probably like, the heck is this? And now DoorDash is actually forcing customers that lie to their drivers to sign. You know what? Good for DoorDash that they actually did the right thing by the drivers here. I'll never come back from that, she concludes. That's effing embarrassing. You know what's embarrassing? The fact that you decided to screw over that many drivers just to get free food, as you put it. You know what's embarrassing? The number of drivers that probably got deactivated from your wrongful actions. That's what's embarrassing. You know what's embarrassing? The amount of money that DoorDash and these restaurants lost because of your actions. Now, to be clear, I am usually against DoorDash in almost every way, but stealing is wrong no matter who you're stealing it from. I can't believe that she's trying to justify it with the concept that she was embarrassed that people are taking steps to make sure she doesn't steal from them anymore. The video racked up over 28,000 views as of Wednesday, with viewers suggesting what she should do next. The things you do for content, huh? Time to make a new account, one viewer suggested. Yeah, that's true. She could always just make a new account and then that account will have to do the same thing. Time to switch to Uber Eats, a second said. Don't spread this garbage to other apps. Are you serious? Just pretend you set it to be that way because your neighbors steal food, LMAO. I delivered for DoorDash and people told me that's why I'm dead. A third commented. I guess that's a way to counteract the embarrassment, but quite honestly, you kind of deserve the embarrassment. Others revealed how they previously lied on food delivery apps. Why is this so normal? Like, stealing should not be this normal. I really hope that DoorDash ends up doing checks on these people and then just putting them all down, like deactivate them. Forget the signing. They don't need to be on the platform if they're gonna do that. I'm effing rolling. Once I realized how easy it was, I did it so many times I forced myself to stop, one person shared. Ladies and gentlemen, garbage. I got banned from Uber Eats because I would lie for refunds. This was back in 2019. and I never download the app again, embarrassing me like that a second row. You're embarrassed because you stole something multiple times, and then they did something about it. You felt embarrassed that you got caught? No, you embarrassed yourself. NAUR. This hasn't happened to me, but the app has told me that I've done it too many times, and I won't get any credits for a while, but signing for food, a third said. I didn't realize that they do that either, so it's good to know that DoorDash actually takes steps against dirty customers. Because DoorDash drivers don't all steal food. You just lie about it so many times to where it ends up looking like it's more than it actually is. In a comment, Lauren followed up by writing, "Y'all, I don't even use DoorDash much anymore. That was just a moment of weakness. Calm down, damn." You know what? You shouldn't be using DoorDash at all if that's what you're gonna do to good people. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Honestly, it's about time that people like this end up not being on the platform or having to do something extra so that way people don't stay on the platform, because that's embarrassing. I'm embarrassed. Now, whenever I have someone sign for an order, I know that's because they're a scumbag, that they're trying to steal food from good people, and then they're gonna try to get me deactivated, even if they say they're not trying to get this deactivated. That's what's happening. That's the kind of monsters you are. You shouldn't be on the platform. What kind of scum do you have to be in order to steal food and then cost people their livelihoods just because you want a burrito for free? Honestly, I'm even more shocked at the amount of people that rose up after that and said, "Oh, I used to do this a lot too." You're scum. But I will say there is something to be taken away from this, is that people who end up doing the wrong thing as customers end up getting penalized in a way. So it's not just all on the Dasher, and there is a level of protection in that, because quite honestly, it's really frustrating that that happens. I don't think everybody gets the pain of getting deactivated for something that they know they didn't do. Honestly, I'm frustrated that this is a normalcy, but you know what? It's good to know that's not all on the Dasher, because it used to feel that way for a very long time. I know that I'm usually against DoorDash, but I gotta give credit for credit's due. Good job, DoorDash. You did the right thing. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!